Welcome to the Digital Manufacturing Playbook video series.
These videos have been developed to help guide manufacturers in adopting advanced manufacturing technologies using easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions.
With support from the MXD Manufacturing USA Institute, professional technology experts have outlined key steps and procedures for various technology solutions
And incorporated real-life manufacturing use cases to demonstrate each step of the process.
This digital manufacturing playbook will guide you through the process of incorporating advanced manufacturing technologies
Through a series of videos describing the major steps of a technology deployment project.
Steps covered in this playbook include
considering key factors and questions prior to deployment.
For example, does your facility have the right infrastructure to support the new technology?
And what technology options are available.
determining the business case,
Which helps justify the value of the project to your business by weighing the benefits against the costs.
Selecting the technology solution provider.
systems integrators vary in their experience working in different industries and with deploying different types of technologies.
So it's important to pick a technology provider that is a good match for your company.
Evaluating purchasing and financing options for acquiring new technologies.
Such as applying for business loans, obtaining grant subsidies, and renting versus buying.
Preparing a new technology deployment.
Like conducting a safety/risk assessment.
Getting employees on board and obtaining their buy-in.
And minimizing process waste.
We'll also discuss what's involved during an actual technology deployment.
Things to consider the day of the deployment.
And managing the deployment process.
Lastly, we'll address post-deployment considerations.
Like optimizing the process around the new technology.
And maintaining and sustaining the technology.
We hope you find the Digital Manufacturing Playbook useful.
If you have any questions or would like to request additional information,
Please click the link below to connect with digital manufacturing experts who are local to your area.